So this is the Hobson Performing Arts Center stage RMF project that we did to extend the stage to give them more room and actually get orchestras from around the state to come and perform, as well as student organizations to give presentations, dramas, and music. So we work with Little Architects to design a new stage with almost a 30% increase in area, which actually drove us over the code requirement to need a smoke evac system. So above this stage, we do have panels in case of fire to pop open and give smoke a path to leave so that everyone can evacuate. Most of the HVAC was reutilized with as minor alterations as we could do, but obviously the new stage is pretty impressive and a nice feature for Campbell.